Don't mind the thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. Looks like it lost power. I've got you, don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
Alright, get ready for this one now. Hold on.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Soler after me. Lumos Soler. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Well, I'll be. There's the unicorn. And look, she's a really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild.